Hi, my name is Emely Jose, and I am the Salutatorian for the 2023 graduating class at CWE. I'm 27 years old. I am a teacher, and I have a baking business as well. I've been teaching for about 8 years now, and I've had my baking business for about 6 years. I'm happy to say that I've been living the dream of teaching and as well baking, which is another passion of mine. I ended up at CWE because I wanted to come back to school. I graduated with my associate back in 2017, 2018, and I decided to take a year off of school. I knew I wanted to teach. It was something that it's always been a passion of mine, but I was just so lost, and because I had so many personal things going on and life was happening, of course, I decided to take a break. So I took a year off, and then I told myself I need to get back to school. So I started searching out for schools, and City College was right at the top of my list. And when I applied to City College, I got the email for an orientation here at CWE. So I was very confused and such, and like, what should I do? Should I go? Should I not go? But walking in through the doors of CWE, I felt this sense of calmness. I felt this sense of togetherness. And I told myself that I'm in the right place. After that day, I just fell in love with CWE in general, with the people, with the faculty, with the professors, with the students. Everything just felt so right. I'm so happy to say that these years at CWE has molded me into the person that I am today. I've gained confidence, I've gained stability, and most importantly, I'm able to say that I've gained such a valuable education here. And then you have professors that are constantly pushing you. You have professors that are constantly here for you, and you have such a tight-knit family within CWE. It's the perfect place to be. I truly, with all of my heart, recommend CWE. Again, you will not go wrong here. It doesn't matter if you feel like you can't do it. It doesn't matter whether you're trying to figure out, how can I balance my life? How can I balance my family? Is it even worth coming back to school? I'm here to tell you that it is. It is never too late to come back. It is never too late to just get yourself to where you want to be. And with CWE, you will get there. You'll have the support that you'll need. You'll gain the courage that you need. And most importantly, you'll meet people here that will change your life forever.